overseas universal battery cell exchange and packing operation video. Step 1. Disassemble the original battery PCB. First, take the original battery and uncover the insulation tape. Unfold the nickel sheet of the PCB, and then lay the battery flat on the workbench. Mark dots near the negative electrode nickel sheet of the PCB. The darker, harder tab on the left is negative electrode, and the whiter, soft metal on the right is positive. Mark dots near negative electrode, nickel sheet of the PCB. Unfold the nickel sheet of PCB. Place the back of the battery upward, the FPC of protective board left, and the steel plate upward. Lay the battery flat on the workbench. Take specialty wire and heat it with a soldering iron at positive and negative nickel plates for 12 seconds. Gently push the PCB outward to remove the original protective board. Put aside the removed original board. Put away the old battery cell. Step 2. Weld the new cell onto the original protective board. Take the universal battery cell number 5. Uncover the insulation tape. Remove the insulating paper and expose the welding points of the connecting wire. Place the back of the battery cell upward, the FPC of the protective board left, and the steel plate upward corresponding to the placement position of the original battery at 0:45 minutes. First, add some solder tin on the solder pad of the protective board. Weld the blue wire to the negative pad of the board. In the same way, weld the red wire to the positive electrode. As shown in the figure, B is positive and B is negative. Step 3. Fold the wire and protective board and wrap with insulating tape. Fold the welded protective board. Fold the connecting wire. Take the attached black insulating tape and tear off upper half of the backing paper. Align black tape with battery head and wrap the protective board. Remove the other half of backing paper. Wrap battery header on with insulating black tape. Cut out the extra tape. That's it, finished.